unbox the 16-inch M1 while I'm working on my other computer. Let's see if this works, and if I don't break anything, then you'll be able to see it. So let's see if this works. Let me mute myself. Perfect. All right, so let me move the box. Man, they made this tough to open up. Okay, so open this side. And I am in my home office, so I need to turn on this air conditioner. Okay, let's try again. I don't want to rip this. I have this, maybe I should show you, right? There's this little tab here. It's saying rip it, but I don't want to. I guess I have to. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to move the camera back because that is way too close. Let's see here. It's the wrong way. About that. Not messing anything up. Okay. Take this out. Move this out of the way. Okay, so this is the 16-inch base model, if they call it a base model, for almost $2,800 after taxes. So I don't know about it being a base model. Let's see here. Let me copy the chat over. So when I have it on this screen, paste. There we go. Remove that. Okay. I think we're ready to rock and roll now. And of course, I should have a fancy knife if I was a real YouTuber, but I'm not. Yes, I know this is terrible, but this is what we got to do when you're on the poor people side of YouTube. Okay. No, this doesn't smell like frankincense and myrrh, even though it should, or something. Vanilla extract or something like that. Let's see. Okay, we're back. So what shall we do here? Maybe I should record this to my computer to back it up. So I'm doing that. So I'm recording everything on my Alienware desktop. I wish I could do some comparisons to that just to see what type of graphic performance we have, but we can't stream, record, and do that at the same time. Maybe we could. I'm not going to do that. Don't want to mess anything up. And also, I will let you know I am a PC advocate. This is my first MacBook Pro. Obviously, I've had iPad Pros. I have an iPad Pro and an iPhone, but no MacBook. Let's see if this will suit our needs. Let me know what you think I should test. I run a digital marketing, sales consulting, and web development and app development company. So I can write this off. Let's do the sniff test. No frankincense and myrrh, I'm sorry, but it doesn't smell bad. That's a good thing. So designed by Apple in California. That's what they're telling us right here. Not built in California, obviously. Nothing's built in California anymore. That is one heavy laptop. So I have a Surface Laptop Studio as well, a Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. And this is about 0.7 pounds heavier. It just feels very solid, but obviously that's what it's supposed to feel like, right? So let's see what else we could get into here. Got a little dust on it. So this is the MagSafe. Let's just rip it off. Come on. This is a nice cord though. I like it. It's one of those tangle-proof cords. So we have USB-C on one end and then MagSafe on the other. This is the MagSafe side. There we go. So we're going to connect that here. It's pretty strong. Let's see. Okay, that's in. And I'm going to lay this here. And then in the meantime, we're also going to connect this cheap USB-C dongle, just in case we want to test some things. SD cards and all that good stuff. It's USB 3.1, I believe. So since we have one USB-C on the other side, I'm going to plug it on the other side. Let's see if anybody's paying attention here. We'll keep rocking and rolling. So let me find the AC port. I mean the charger. Here we go right here. So let me get the paper off of this. Then we're going to plug our stuffs in here. Plug that there. Okay. So we got a little setup here. Let's see. Make sure that doesn't come out. And then let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, looks good. And let's take that off. And let's see. Let me see if I can get the whole screen in here. Now I have to move some stuff over. Okay. We're making progress. Okay, click get started. English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
One thing I gotta say is this feels great resting my hands on it. Cold aluminum feels wonderful.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know...
Let me connect my Wi-Fi. Don't look. For you hackers out there, let me change screens. Okay, let's see. So far, so good. Let's wait for it to connect to the Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi as some people call it. Continue. How do you want to transfer your information? I don't know. Migrate. Continue. I don't want to do that right now anyway. Not now. Let me log in with my Apple ID. Don't look again. Let me find my Apple ID. I don't even know what it is. This just shows you how much I use my Apple stuff. You get my password first. Let's find the information. Let's see. Apple. All right, I found it. So before I log in and all the hackers hack me, let me make sure I'm not sharing this. But so far, so good. All right, let's see. I need to verify. Allow. Put this code in. Okay. I agree. I know I'm signing my life over, but what else can you do if you want to use technology? Okay, I'm going to create a password. No looking. Stop looking at my password. Okay, let's see here. Okay, we're making a little bit of progress here, ladies and gentlemen. We're almost into the computer. This is slower than even Windows. Or maybe it's just because I'm used to it. I don't know. One thing I will say, so on Windows, they don't tell you to migrate over from Windows. Because I'm assuming they assume if you're using Windows, you're not coming from Mac. So that is one thing I see here, and it's setting up my iCloud, the old iCloud that I don't use. How many of you use iCloud? And because my free account is full, I normally use Dropbox because one thing I'll say, running sales teams and companies where we've been working at home for years, is that if you have one point of failure for your cloud, you're in big trouble because if you have everything on iCloud and then somebody hacks that, then they have access to everything on your phone. So I like to spread it around. That's why I use Windows, iPhone, iPad, and then I primarily use Dropbox and OneDrive because I use Windows. Let's see what it's asking me to do. Enter the password again. This is a long process, but I guess it's secure, right? It's saying enter the password. Enter the passcode for iPhone. I have no idea what that is. Let's see if I can figure this out. I think I just did the right thing. Would you like to? Keychain. I'll set that up later. We got to get into the computer. Got work to do here. Okay, find my allow to locate this Mac on a map. Send it messages and remotely lock or erase. Find my, we'll use the Apple ID blank. Okay, that's fine. So they're tracking us now, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously, people do steal computers, but I guess Apple will always know where I am. Microsoft already knows where I where I am, so why not? Google knows where I am. Facebook, they all know where you are. Why are people worried about Zuckerberg knowing where they are and Apple? I guess if you people that are criminals, they always try to cover their tracks, right? But or I guess the idea is if we're letting them track where we are right now, then 100 years from now, 50 years from now, we'll never be able to get that ability to not be tracked back, which may be okay now, but maybe in 50 years we don't want them to track us. Maybe the robots will be taken over by then, and then they'll know where we are to put us in the matrix. I have no idea. So we're almost there. This is more clicks than Windows, but hey, it's worth it. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, play some music. No, I'm not sharing audio recordings with Siri. Man, sorry. Touch ID time. Lift and rest your finger on the Touch ID repeatedly. I'm doing that right now. Touch ID is ready. I'm choosing the dark theme. Okay, we're in. We are in. Now let me go through my list of things I need to connect or download so we can start running some tests. First, since I'm coming from a Windows machine, I need to download Microsoft Edge. I know. But that's the way it's got to be initially. So where's Safari? Safari's right there. Boomda. Boom. Okay, let me open my list of apps I need to download, where I need to go. Let me just type in Microsoft.com/en. So we're getting Edge going over here. Let's get the Edge going. They have Microsoft Edge for Business. I wonder what that means. Let's go back. Mac with M1, you have to do this all the time. Mac with Apple chip. You got to make sure you download the right one. Otherwise, nothing will work. Let me make sure the stream is going smoothly and move this closer so everybody can see what's going on here. Let's see. There we go. No, I don't want to help improve Microsoft. That's your job. Wow. Let's see if it's doing something. Let me move this camera back. Let's see if I do it this way. Then I'm going to straighten this out a little bit. There we go. I think that might be helpful. Okay. So let's see here. We got something's happening. All I'm trying to do is, here we go. Continue. Install. Use password. Oh. So I have to use my fingerprint to install. That's fine. Okay, so that says installation was successful. Close. Do I want to move it to trash? Yeah, why not? Let's move it to trash. So now we got that. Oh, and it comes with a Microsoft auto update thingy. So it's auto updating. Thank you, Microsoft. Hello. So what else do I need? I need my Dropbox. Focus. Inspirational will get you distracted. Confirm. Sync data. I'm going to log in, and I don't want you to see my email again for you hackers watching everything we do. So I'm going to change it to me. I know you don't want to see me, but that's what we got to do to protect ourselves. All right. Let me do that. Let's see if I can remember my information. Okay, I'm in. Now I'm going to try to download Dropbox. Is that the next one? I'm going to download Chrome too. I'm going to also download Parallels so I could run Windows. What should I do first? Let's do Chrome next. I know. We just have to test Chrome too, so we got to do Chrome. Google.com/. Let's Keyboard's good. I don't know about great. I think the Surface laptop keyboard's a little bit better. Oh, that reminds me, I need to change Bing to default to Google. Schmoogle. Download and install Chrome. Download Chrome with Apple chip. You got to make sure you choose the right one. Exciting times. Download. Okay. Looks like something's happening. It's downloading. Open. Install. We are making some progress here, ladies and gentlemen. See, as soon as you download Google, they want you to make it your default browser. Google Chrome, would you like to access? Google Chrome would like to access files in your download folder. Okay. Don't make Google better. I don't want to do that. That's their job. Set Google Chrome as my default browser. No. Start Google Chrome. Yes. Again, we're making incredible progress. I don't need to sign into Google right now, though. I'm going to go to settings in Edge and make Google my default search engine. Under privacy, block a majority of trackers. Why not? And we're going to change, I think it's at the bottom, yeah, address bar search engine used. They're opening up all my plugins already. I gotta go back to settings. Search engine used in address bar, Google's. Manage search engines. There we go. So back here. So we already got Google set up as our default search engine. Then I'm going to download. What am I going to download? I don't know. Dropbox. And of course, I'm going to sign in again, and I don't want you looking. Don't get your pesky hands on my password, so I'm going to show my average looking face. Let's see here. Also need to download RoboForm. That's what I use for passwords. What is my RoboForm password anyway? What is it? We gotta find it. Oh no, I'm not. I'm looking for my Dropbox password. That's what I'm looking for. Dropbox. Let's see. View Dropbox. Don't try to read it off of my eyes. I see you. Here we go. All right, I got it. So let me make sure I'm not sharing this. Everything's got to be secure around these parts. Just had an ADD moment. Brain froze. Okay, I'm in. I'm going to download Dropbox. Install Dropbox app. I don't even know if it works on M1. I'm assuming it does. Let's see, does Dropbox work on M1? I don't know. Maybe it doesn't. I have no idea. Okay, looks like something's happening. Open. It's not letting me install it. Let's Google that. See, we're learning together. Dropbox for M1 Mac. Let's see what the system requirements are. Gotta move this cord out of the way. Okay, so let's see. Does it work on Mac? Dropbox app for Mac computers. For now, I'm just gonna use the browser until I figure that out. Not gonna waste any time. Then I'm going to open up the Tech Newbies file with all the links to everything I need to download on this computer for test and such. Okay, so there we go. Oh, it doesn't even show everything because I didn't save the file. What a great guy. Hold on. Save. Refresh. There we go. So the first thing I'm going to download this and see if that'll open. There we go. We did Edge, we did Chrome. I'm going to download my Wacom drivers because I have this handy dandy. Let me show you. So right now on PC, I'm using a Wacom as my main screen, but I'm also using a 65-inch TV. So let's look at this. So this is the Wacom right here, and we got the Alienware down there. So I need the drivers for that. So let's copy this link. Control C. I didn't even copy the whole thing. Control V. Oh no, that's the wrong link. I'm just going to go to Wacom Drivers. Save myself the hassle here. Oh, there we go. And I have the Wacom 22-inch HD. Pen displays. Select. Wait, is it 22 or 24-inch? Right. Yeah, 22-inch HD. And Mac OS. Download Mac drivers. Confirm. Open. So it's installing it. We're making progress. So next I'm going to do something fun. I'm going to run Cinebench R23 and compare it to some scores on the other laptops. I believe the Surface laptop with the i7 and 350 Ti got a 5700 to 6000 score. So we'll see what this gets. Oh no, security settings prevented this. Scroll to accessibility in the list on the left, unlock the settings, and then make sure all Wacom applications in the list are checked. Okay, so let me try again first. Okay, open, preferences, accessibility. Gotta move this out of the way. Accessibility. Oh, here it is. Allow the app below to control your computer. I just gotta click on it, but it's not letting me click. Okay, so when I click on this, allow the app below to control your computer. It click the lock to make changes. Yeah, maybe I should read, right? So where's the lock? Oh, right here. Boom. So now I checked that. So let's try again. I just did that. Okay, so I have to lock it back again. So now it should work. Oh, it was. Oh, wait. Let's try again. I believe it was successful. Close. No, it's saying it wasn't. So I need to application list, then scroll to input monitor again and make sure all Wacom. Okay, input monitor. Okay, I skipped some steps here, ladies and gentlemen. So this is to allow the Wacom screen to be a digitizer. Wacom will not be able to monitor input from your keyboard until it is quit. You can choose to quit Wacom Drivers now or do it your own later. Quit and reopen. So I think that did it. I think. Let's see. Ta-da! To participate. No, I don't want to participate in the experience program. No devices connected. We're going to connect the Wacom. Should I connect that now? I would make a bad dad joke, but I'm not. So that is done. So what I could test is connecting it through this cheap USB-C dongle. So that's what we're going to try. So let me go back here and connect that real quick. We're going to connect the Wacom 22 HD, not the touch version, the version that has pen support. See how that works. Disconnecting it from my other computer. Let's see if this is plug and play after we install the drivers. That's not good. Hold on. And connect this to the dongle. See what happens. It's still saying no device connected. Oh, it's connected. It's just saying no device connected, but I've definitely got two screens now. Let's see if the pen input works. No pen input. Wait. Oh, the pen is still. Oh, I need to connect the mouse input to the MacBook. I'm moving the screen right now. I need to stop doing that. I need to connect the mouse input to the MacBook. The only problem is I need to disconnect it from my other computer. Let's do that too. step. Okay. Let's see if this dongle life is any good. Okay, so let's see if the pen works here now. And the pen is no working. No working. I think I might still need to enable one more thing. Still says no devices connected. Updates. Let's open it up again. See if that works. It still says no device connected. We're connected. We're using the Wacom as a second screen right here. As you can see, the purple background. But it's saying not connected right there. And I installed the drivers. No fun. Let's see. So accessibility, that's connected. Input monitoring, Wacom drivers there. Yeah, so I don't see anything else that needs to be connected. I might need to restart. Okay, notifications. Let's click on that. Allow Wacom Desktop Center alerts. For now, I guess we need to allow that. I'm going to restart. Maybe that'll help. That's interesting. I'm just trying to be intuitive like every other Apple user. And it's not working. Okay, then I'm going to turn it back on. Because I know on Windows you need to restart. That did not restart though. Figaro, no. Backup settings, updates. So I have a second monitor, but no touch input. Text edit. Let me close that for now. How about just leave that open? This makes me feel like a computer noob. Launchpad. Wacom utility. Maybe I need to do that. No. Already did that. It says, don't look at my password again. see. I don't see anything. Display settings, compatible device not found. To use this app, please connect a compatible display device such as a Cintiq or a Mobile Studio Pro. This is a Cintiq. It looks like Mi Note working. That's not good. Sure, I'll figure it out later. So, you know what? Right now I have the HDMI connected through the USB-C dongle. I'm going to connect it straight to the HDMI in the computer. Maybe that'll work. Isn't that why they added this back? See? Boom. I'm connected. I have it plugged in right there. So now, let's see what it says. Still says driver up to date, my devices, no device connected. Hmm. So let's go ahead and go on to Cinebench while we're messing around with drivers. I knew this would be an issue, but what can you do, right? Let's download Cinebench. Okay, so let's just go to the Googles. Cinebench R23 M1. And now it's acting like the internet doesn't want to work. Okay, here we go. Oh, let's try again. I'll do it up here. Cinebench R23 M1 Mac. Why won't just take me? I should have just gone to Cinebench. Huh. I don't know why I'm wasting time Googling, but it's fun. Offline installer, Mac OS, bada bing, bada boom. Here we go. Open. I have to wait till it finishes, obviously. All right, this is what we've all been waiting for. I'm going to do the multi-core first. Let's see if I can angle this up so you can watch it, and maybe I could take a break while this is happening without unplugging anything. Hold on to your horses. Okay, there we go. So we're right there. Gonna mute my mic while this is going and just let it roll. so I could get some work done on my other computer. So the problem is the pen input for the Wacom still doesn't work, which is not good. But I'll reset later. So for now, we'll just run the R23 test and end the stream, and I will do a initial review later on this evening. So it's running. We are running. Right now, it looks like the scores or results are right below the Threadripper, above the Intel Core i9. We'll see if it stays that way. But I'm going to mute myself and let it rock and roll. Okay, about 13 seconds left. It seems to be moving pretty quickly.